everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is part 1 of our Unicorn Party Girl Tutu set. Stay tuned. For the crochet top and tutu, you'll need sequin fabric, felt, 2 crochet tops, satin ribbon, tulle on the roll, and a glue gun and glue sticks. On the intro, I showed 2 pieces of fabric, but because I'm using the size 6-7 pattern, I needed a little more felt, so I bought this felt on the bulb. You can buy it by the yard, and I'm just going to cut out 2 pieces. Then, to make it sequin, I'm going to take one of those pieces of felt for the bodice, and I'm going to cover it in the sequin fabric using my glue gun. So I'm leaving about a 1/2 inch seam allowance around the outside of the felt bodice. And then I'm just going to glue it around the one piece of the bodice using my hot glue gun. Make sure that your glue gun is nice and hot so that you don't have stiff, hard glue coming out of the glue gun. And be careful to tuck in all of the seams and cut off all of the excess fabric. So now you have 2 pieces, one is sequin and one is not. So we're going to start by gluing in our straps, and then we are going to go around the outside of the bodice using our hot glue to put it all together. This is a no-sew tutorial, obviously, but if you'd like to use your sewing machine, you absolutely can. I have a tutorial up on how to do that. So once you have the bodice all glued together, it should look like this. And then on to the tutu. So you're going to roll out your tulle. I used all hot pink tulle for the majority of the tutu. So for the crochet waistline, normally I used a 1.5 inch crochet headband to do that, but I want a little more room today, so I took a 5.5 inch or 6 inch crochet top and I cut it in half so that I would have a little bit more room to work with. So you want to make sure that you are applying the tulle at the bottom of the crochet headband, the portion that you cut. You want to make sure that you start applying tulle there. This time I'm applying the tulle 3 pieces at a time. You can apply the tulle individually if you'd like to. I just sometimes like to do 3 pieces at a time. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm leaving an opening in the back of about 2 to 3 inches. It's actually about 3 to 4 inches. So I'm leaving about a 3 to 4 inch gap in the back for the tail, and I'm using all of these colors to make a really long and really pretty tail. So you want to cut the tail pieces much longer, almost twice as long as you did for the skirt. Now I'm going in and I'm applying the tulle 1 piece at a time for the tail. And I'm taking the tail all the way to the top of the crochet band. And when you're at the top, this is what your tutu will look like. So we're going to keep going because we're kind of, a unicorn is a horse, kind of, sort of. So we want it to keep going and make it look like a tail and a mane. So we're going up the back just a little bit more, and it gives height to your tail, so your tail just isn't just dangling. So this gives your tail a little more height. If you'd like, you can take your tail all the way up to the top of the crochet top, but I chose to just go to the mid back, and that is because I have a surprise coming up in an upcoming tutorial and I wanted to leave room for it. So this is what your finished tutu will look like. And you see the tail has some height there, and this is where the bunching of tulle comes in handy. Normally I don't like bunchy tulle, but it really looks cute with the tail. So if you want to see the finished look, stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials this week. So if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure you also click on the bell down below so that you can be notified of the next Tutu Tuesday and any other tutorials that I have coming up on my channel. As always, let me know what you want to see on my channel in the comment section below, and let me know what you think about this unicorn party girl tutu dress. Talk to you soon. Bye.